Alright, we have EAS number 8 of the required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
So we tossed the coin into the tray, found her walking hand in hand. I had a gelato in my hand, my new bride in my hand, and there was a fortune teller there.
We had our fortune told by a fortune teller. Yeah.
And
he was only spoke in Italian, so he spoke to you.
I translate for you.
Yes.
Do you remember what he said?
I sure do.
Do you want to say?
Yeah.
Jennifer's birthday.
This woman is not good for you. Whatever you do not
That is not
marry.
true. It's the exact opposite. He said to you that he sees you marrying an older man.
He sees me marrying an older man,
right.
But he told you
not
to marry me.
Yes.
And meanwhile, we're already married, and I was like, this fortune teller doesn't know much.
Citrus Silver, clinically proven to support memory in older adults.
What's your number?
It's the Zoo Sore Throat Medicated Drops, uniquely formulated for...
Here we go!
Of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Okay, got it. That's it. That's it.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.